So what's up mga choy? Mga choy. Today's vlog guys is we're gonna talk about pets or unsa ang imong pets or what kind of pets do you have? I have my pet Hiro. Actually it's not mine. Not 100% mine. Ang owner niya is pumunta ng Cebu, then niya take care of for how many days and he's here. Hiro. Hello Hiro. Aww. Wala sa mood si Hiro guys kasi kagigising niya, siyang naligo, then after siya naligo, nag-sleep, and then, you know, puppies, they love sleeping like me, like his owner, like sleeping, right? So, today guys is, we're gonna go outside and have some walking with Hiro. Hiro loves walking, he loves meeting with other people, and then Hiro and I are gonna get an adventure. Joke. So guys, kahapon guys, is si Hiro is we have a photo shoot. Hiro had some fun, and while me got itchies because Hiro is so active, like so energetic, and me is so I can't take a picture of Hiro because he's so fast and so clumsy. And then what happened is Hiro get tired and go to sleep. But today we're gonna go for a walk for Hiro to get exercise and a little bit of walking. You know, dogs needs to walk or needs to have a walking distance, like to exercise. So let's go. I don't know if Hiro would like to go out. Let's talk to Hiro. Let's go out, boy. Hey, Hiro. Let's go out. Hey, Hiro. Say Hiro. Hiro. I need to convince Hiro. Let's convince Hiro. Let's go. So hey guys, it's me and Hiro. Oh my gosh, yung gitala pa ng screen. I mean ng lens. So Hiro guys is a Pomeranian dog, 2 months old, very active, got complete vaccine, all of the stuff. Then he's good, no problem, very active. The problem is he keep on biting me. It's so Hiro, stop that. Hey, you stop that. Bang. You know guys, Hiro loves cut. You know cut guys, rubbing the tummy. Diba? Para siyang ano dito ha guys. Sarap ng buhay mo, Chay ah! So we're out of the room guys. I will give Hiro some food so he can eat because it's already lunch. We're gonna get some food and then we're gonna go out and have a walking. Let's go. Sad to say guys, nag-uwan siya. It rained. So we're gonna stay at the house. Nag-sleep si Hiro guys. So maybe we're gonna wait nga mawala ang ulan. Then we're gonna go for a walk. Look guys. It rained. There's no light. It's just dark. Umuulan na eh. Hindi lang nakikita sa camera. I don't want Hiro to get sick. So we're gonna stay at the house. We're gonna stay at the house. Yeah. Look, oh. Naka-electric fan. Wow. He likes electric fan. Gusto niya mag-electric fan talaga pag natutulog, guys. Tingnan mo nga naman, no? Pang mayaman. Mahal to, guys. Pero hindi ko sasabihin yung price. Confidential. So, kaya guys, if you want dogs, you should pick one of the dogs that you might like. For example, we buy this dog because my girlfriend liked this dog because of its attitude, its culture of the dog, how the dog blend its culture to the people. Hiro is a friendly and caring, loving puppy. That's all I can say with Hiro. Hey, are you? Oh my God, he's sleeping. Yeah, he's sleeping. So that's for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. May na yung voice ko kasi natutulog na si Hiro. Thank you for watching.